this milestone is for all of us to celebrate, right? I'm very proud on behalf of our CEO and President, Sanjay Chakrabarty, to see how Cha-Ching has given young learners the kind of financial education many of us wish we had when we were growing up. 10 years in and 2 million students later, the message is clear. The need is real, the impact is significant. But the real story, here is what happens beyond the classroom. Teachers tell us that they learn from the program also, and they also apply the lessons in their own financial management. Students bring home lessons to their parents and families, talk about saving and budgeting in new ways. The ripple effect from child, parent, to community is what makes Cha-Ching lasting and more impactful. We in True Life and Prudence Foundation have heard about Damien, a 20-year-old student from Bulacan who joined our program around 10 years ago. When we started, he's now 20 years old. The early lessons on earning and saving shaped the choices that he made or he's making today. While studying, he takes on part-time work and even competes in esports leagues to earn his own income, applying what he learned from the program, learning about responsibility and discipline in various ways. What stands out isn't just what he does, but what he's gained: confidence, ownership, and a clearer sense of direction for his future. This is what we want to see more of. More young Filipinos, students who feel equipped and confident in the financial decisions that they face and they will face as they grow up. And this is what makes this moment so important. We are no longer running a program with Bicol becoming the first region to fully integrate Cha-Ching into the school curriculum and the expansion continuing in other parts of the country. We, all of us, are helping build a stronger foundation for financial education and literacy nationwide. True Life and Prudence Foundation will continue to invest in the partnership with the Department of Education and JA Philippines because we believe financial literacy is a life skill every Filipino child should have access to. We look forward to reaching more classrooms, more regions, and more families in the years ahead. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.